Hey guys, Matthew Lippard here with another video. I'm going to be working on this 2014 Chrysler Town Country. The reverse camera works, but it's real foggy, and I think this thing has been hit too many times with a sprinkler, and it's just got some hard water spots on that camera and just makes it foggy, so I'm going to see what I can do about cleaning that up today. Before I turn this thing around, go ahead and smash that subscribe button away, hit that like button, share this video. Comment on this video. Let me know what part of the world or what part of the country you're watching this from. To my subscribers, nearly 1,000 of them now, I appreciate you tuning back in. If you're brand new to this channel, I appreciate you tuning in as well. Let me go ahead and reset the camera and let's get started. Okay, here's this Town and Country van. Let me get in here and show you what I'm talking about with this thing. I got the emergency brake on, so I'm going to turn the key on to where the dash lights up. So there the dash is lit up. When I put it in reverse, you can see how it's real foggy. It's bright light out here right now, so it doesn't show up extremely well, but look at that, it's just not clear. It's not my camera being blurry, it's just not clear. So I've got another camera I'm going to set right here. I'm going to record this, so you're going to be able to see it in two separate camera images. This camera I'm holding will be in the back with me, and there's another camera sitting here right on the center console that will be focused right in on this, so you'll be able to see this live and in person. It's not quite as it's a little bit of a difficult deal because it's so bright out today, but I may see if I can do something to block off some of this light, maybe put a towel or something over that front window, but I'm going to try that before I get started. But anyway, that's what we're doing. That's a little bit better. I took my hooded sweatshirt and put over the window there. Cuts out a lot of that glare. Now you can really see a lot better how it's just blurry like that. Okay, I've got the camera position, or my camera position right here's a camera. I thought maybe it was just dirty when I first got the van, but I messed around with it and it's not dirty. So I think it's hard water spots, because hard water spots all over this van from getting hit by sprinkler continuously. What I'm going to use here is a product called BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover. This is one of the best chemicals I've ever used, available just to the general public that you can find. I used to use this when I worked for fish window cleaning, and the place I usually get it was out of business, so I looked around and finally got it at a local hardware store called Floyd's. Put a little bit of this on a towel, doesn't take a lot, and I'm going to put it on there. I'm just going to mess around with this and I can't really see the hard water spots, so I'm hoping that's what it is, but just massage this in there, it's kind of in a circular motion. You don't have to scrub really hard, unless if you have a ton of hard water spots and you can't hardly see anything, and then you're going to have to use some elbow grease, but this one shouldn't take a whole lot. I'm going to work it for a little bit, and then I'm going to wipe it off with a dry cloth, and then I'm going to go see if it makes a difference yet, or if I need to do more. It is a little bit better. This is my alternative to hopefully not having to replace the camera, but if this doesn't do it, that's probably the next step. Is the camera might be just something wrong with it. I know it's not the screen in there, because in other things it's crystal clear. It's just with the backup camera that it's foggy. So that's how I know it's something with the camera, and I'm hoping this is going to do it. Because this is the easiest possible way. Like I say, it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. I'm trying to get out near the edges too, and in the center. Any kind of towel will work, a cotton towel, an old t-shirt. I'm just using some microfibers because that's what I had. But you can use just about anything. It's as long as it's not something abrasive that's going to scratch this little piece of glass. I'm just going to work on this a little bit and just kind of I'm not going to say anything, but I'm just going to work on it, go back and check it. Just kind of go back and forth, and then I'll speed this part of it up when I'm done. Well, it seems like it's a little bit better. I'll show a picture of it in there again, but I don't know whether it might be on the inside of that lens, or I don't know how much I want to take apart on this thing, but yeah, there may be a bad seal in there, and there may be some dirt and debris on the inside of that lens, but the outside of the lens is clean. It looks a little bit better, but it's still a little fuzzy, and not quite where I'd like it to be, but we're going to kind of go with that for now. But that's one way to clean that up if it's foggy and looks like it's got junk on it. Here's the after picture. Seems like it's a little bit clearer, but still ain't nowhere near like it is. I mean, I'll wait and see at night how clear it is at night. But I mean, like I say, it's a little bit clearer, but just not where I want it to be. But anyway, that's a good product to use to remove hard water spots on cameras, your windows, stuff like that. So, all right, guys, there you go. This is that product, BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover. It's a good product. Looking back at the video, I'm not sure if it did any good or not, but I just wanted to show you the process. This camera may have some dirt in the inside of the camera. I may have to just replace the camera. I'll do that at another time and do another video. But anyway, that's just showing you some of this BioClean Hard Water Spot Remover. It's a great product. You can just Google where to buy it, and it'll tell you where you can buy it locally. It's not as easily available as it used to be. You may have to order it online, but you can get it. It's not real expensive, but I think this bottle cost me $14, but it's a really good product. Anyway, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video. Again, appreciate you tuning in, and until next time, may God bless you and have a great day.